Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you what to do if the Bereal Add Friends option is not working. So in order to do that, first of all, we are going to have to open Bereal app, and there could be a couple different things that you might want to try. So I do have multiple solutions in this video. So let's try the first one. And so we are going to click in the top left corner first of all to click on the Friends tab, and then right here we see the option search info and contacts. So if I click on this, nothing happens, as you can see. So that's my issue here. And so if you have this issue, it's probably because you have denied the contacts permission. So in order to allow that, you'll have to go to your phone settings. So let me just open the settings app and then scroll down until I find the option called apps. So click on there, and then I'm just going to search for Bereal and click on the Bereal option right here. So then from here I'm going to scroll down again until I come to the option permissions right here and click on that. Then I will have to click on contacts and we have to click on allow. So now we can go back to Bereal app, and now when I click that button, it should work. So if it still doesn't work for you, another issue, make sure you have the latest version of Bereal app installed. So let me open up the Play Store or App Store and check if there is an update. If there is, install the update. If that also doesn't help, then go into the settings again and under apps and then Bereal. Click on Bereal again, and then right here go click on storage right here, and then you can try clearing the data and clear the cache. And this will lock you out of the app and you will have to be logged in again, but it should work now. If that also doesn't work, you can try uninstalling the app and reinstalling it, and hopefully that will work. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.